face and tried to keep things calm. Then Tehran took the embassy and tore apart the song.
444 long days the whole world watched in pain, and Jimmy heard the whistle of that hard old Tehran train.
Then Clinton pulled the throttle back and tightened up the line. Said we'll squeeze them with $1 if they will not read the sign. Sanctions on the barrel, sanctions on the grain, but the mullahs kept on riding that hard old Tehran train. Oh, the Tehran train keeps rolling, black smoke in the sky.
One man talks of peace a while, the next one wonders why.
You can deal, you can pray, you can cuss, you can complain, but it's hard to stop the devil on that hard old Tehran train. Then Obama said, let's sit a spell and see if talk can do.
He wrote a deal with careful hands like men in Washington do.
Inspectors at the station, brakes pulled on the chain. For a while it sounded softer on that hard old Tehran train.
Then Trump came in like thunder with his hat pulled way down low. Said, I've heard enough from holy men that put on quite a show.
He tore up that agreement and turned pressure up again. Said, I'm tired of these mullahs riding fat on borrowed wind.
He didn't sign a paper saying, boys, go change the throne, but he talked like every bartender who wants the roadies gone.
He hit 'em with more sanctions, with fire and with strain, and the whole world felt the rumble of that hard old Tehran train. Oh, the Tehran train keeps rolling, black smoke in the sky.
One man talks of peace a while, the next one wonders why.
You can deal, you can pray, you can cuss, you can complain, but it's hard to stop the devil on that hard old Tehran train. Then Biden took the lantern and he walked the same old track.
Said maybe we can mend this thing, but it never quite came back.
The talks got stuck in silence, the sky filled up with pain.
So he reached back for the sanction break on that hard old Tehran train.
From Carter down through Biden, every man has had his turn.
Some tried to cool the fire, some just watched the whole thing burn.
And Trump stood in the depot shouting, I've had enough,
while the preachers in Tehran just smiled and called his bluff.
Oh, the Tehran train keeps rolling, black smoke in the sky. One man talks of peace a while, the next one wonders why. You can deal, you can pray, you can cuss, you can complain, but it's hard to stop the devil on that hard old Tehran train. So raise a glass in history for the deals that never rain,
for presidents and mullahs and that long, hard, dusty game.
The faces change in Washington, but one truth still remains.
A whole lot of men got humbled by that hard old Tehran train.